Have you ever wondered how certain traits or conditions seem to run in families, even if they skip a generation? It is a fascinating question that touches on the very building blocks of who we are. Parents pass sickle cell genes to a child through a specific pattern of inheritance, meaning that a child inherits one gene from each parent. For a child to develop sickle cell disease, they must inherit a sickle cell gene from both their mother and their father. This is due to how our genes work, specifically with what is known as a recessive inheritance pattern. Everyone has two copies of each gene, one inherited from each biological parent. In the case of sickle cell, the gene for normal hemoglobin is dominant, while the gene for sickle hemoglobin is recessive. If a person inherits one normal hemoglobin gene and one sickle cell gene, they are considered a carrier, also known as having sickle cell trait. These individuals usually do not experience symptoms of sickle cell disease, but they carry the gene. If both parents are carriers, meaning they each have one normal gene and one sickle cell gene, there is a 25% chance with each pregnancy that their child will inherit two sickle cell genes, one from each parent, and thus develop sickle cell disease. There is also a 50% chance the child will inherit one sickle cell gene and one normal gene, becoming a carrier themselves, and a 25% chance the child will inherit two normal genes and not have sickle cell trait or disease. This genetic roulette happens with every single pregnancy. Understanding this inheritance pattern is crucial for family planning. If you or your partner have a family history of sickle cell, or if you are part of an ethnic group with a higher prevalence of the trait, genetic testing can tell you if you are a carrier. A simple blood test can determine your sickle cell status. Genetic counseling can then help you understand your risks and explore all your options for building a healthy family. There are actually several types of sickle cell disease, such as hemoglobin SS, hemoglobin SC, and hemoglobin S beta thalassemia, all resulting from different combinations of inherited abnormal hemoglobin genes. Knowing your specific carrier status, whether you carry hemoglobin S or other abnormal hemoglobin variants, provides valuable information. It empowers future parents to make informed decisions and prepare proactively for the possibility of having a child with sickle cell disease. Ultimately, the way parents pass sickle cell genes highlights the incredible impact of genetics on family health. By understanding these patterns and taking advantage of genetic testing and counseling, families can navigate their journey with confidence, making informed choices for the well-being of their children.